Water is the source of life. PU-T02 Countertop Water Dispenser, your home hydration companion. Full touchscreen. High definition and bright, controls clearly in sight. 12L Extra, large ice tank, keeps your drinks cooler for longer. Chills down to 7 degrees Celsius, rapid cooling. Enjoy cold water instantly. Press and hold the cooling button to start and enjoy chilled water in 60 to 90 minutes. Each cycle can fill up to 4 cups of 300 milliliters or 6 cups of 200 milliliters. 4.5L detachable water tank keeps the whole family hydrated all day. Water tank capacity range 0.5L for 0.5L. Easy installation. Twist and click for effortless filter replacement. Water amount options. Fixed amount. After pressing the 12 ounces 20 ounce button, press the dispense button. Flexible amount. Press the dispense button to control the desired water amount freely. Press it again to stop dispensing. Up to 235 millimeters cup height. Fits tall glasses, thermal mugs, and sports bottles. More space, more choice. For times faster flow at 1L min. Ultra quiet operation at 38 dB. Peaceful night without disturbance. PU-T02 Countertop Water Dispenser, your everyday hydration companion.